If you'd like a smart home, but you don't want to have to buy a ton of expensive equipment like light bulbs or switches, etc., you can still have the smart part for some things, especially those things that plug in, by buying these. So how can you do this? So the easiest way is to buy one of these smart plugs. I bought these ones just off of Amazon in sets, I believe sets of 4, and they have a little button at the side and I can plug in a device. So what they do is I plug it into a normal socket. I then plug my device in here. So it could be a floor light, a table light, it could be, I use it for my Christmas trees. So when I plug in the lights for my Christmas tree, I plug it into one of these. Could be anything that you plug in, your toaster, your coffee machine, etc. And then you connect it to an app on the phone. So you've got to check when you're buying these which app. So I decided early on when I started to buy these things, I didn't want 20 apps. I just want to keep it down. But I found it was quite difficult. So I've narrowed it to really 2. And well, 3, because I use Alexa a lot, and I know at home my mum uses Google. So those you could do either or. But I use Smart Life, and I also use Hue. Okay, I use Philips Hue. And so when I'm buying devices, I make sure they're compatible with those 2 items. And so this one, I just go through and I follow the instructions and connect it to my phone. Do type a comment down below if you would like me to do a video on how to actually connect these things. But they're usually all a bit different. I find that the Smart Life one is the easiest. So today my builder, my handyman just went and put in a smart light socket, and he's like, I'm not sure how to connect it. And I'm like, no, I just opened the app. I opened the app and the app said, oh, we've just found a light switch. Do you want us to connect? And I pressed yes, and it connected. It took me right through. So you want to make sure you choose an app that does things easily. So as I said, you plug this in, you plug the device in, you open the app. Sometimes you'll have to press and hold the button for a few seconds. Sometimes you have to press it on and off a few times. Just look in the manual for this and it should see, or it should tell you. And then once you connect it up, you just go in there, and with the Smart Life app, it has all these different types of devices, and it will customize for you how you use these. So for example, the light switch, it has on and off. Some of them actually say on, off, but also a percentage. So if it's a light, I can have it at 20%. I've got a vacuum, a smart vacuum on here, and that one I can go in there and I can set it. I've got light bulbs, and I've got these switches. Now this switch, it just is a power on, power off. And I can just click on to power on, but also I can set a timer. That's why I use them for my Christmas lights. So I would like the Christmas tree to come on at a certain time, and I'd like the outdoor Christmas lights to come on at a certain time. So I've got these plugged into those, and I will use the app to tell it to put it onto a timer. Okay, and then you can switch it on and off. So this is a really good way to try out to see if you like the having a smart home, okay? Without having to buy tons of expensive equipment. And they can be purchased on Amazon or in a lot of computer electronic shops. Okay? If you found this video useful or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up button. And if you would like to see more videos from me, then please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye for now.